Mm. Gutom ako, guys. She's awake. Mm. Super yummy.
Morning.
Morning, yum yum.
Gotta go for it. Only one.
Yum yum. Ah, spicy. The seafood is spicy. What? Maybe from the spices. Mm. Super moist. The best, guys. The best. Ang lemon with mayonnaise. Mm. May natira pa, guys. So, ilagay natin, guys, dito para meron siyang sauce. Mm. Yan. Mm. Ayan. Super moist. Mm. Mm. So guys, hindi na save ang ating video kanina dahil akala ko nagrarun pa din siya. Kaso sunstorm dito, guys. Kaya naputol ang ating live video. Akala ko mga 30 minutes na akong nagsasalita. Tapos ano pala siya, guys, wala. Nakat. So that's all for today's video, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow for our live. Save the video and share. Bye. Good night. Love you all. Saan ang cam natin? There? Okay. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you again tomorrow for our cookbang session with me. Okay, tikman muna natin to, guys. Ang aking baked sweet potato. Mm. Pwede na. Pwede na, pwede na. Yan, guys. Ating bake. Naubos na, guys. Kinain na ni Baba yung half. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Love you all.